Good morning, children. Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Morning, ma'am.
So, I think I had given some homeworks to you. Isn't it?
Ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Shall I explain the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Have you done
ma'am.
the homeworks?
Yes, ma'am.
Respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will explain it. I'll explain it. So it was a homework. Can you anybody remember that homework? Will you tell me? Question.
Yes, ma'am.
Given that
See, children, you turn on your videos. Vishnu Priya, Mohammed Aman, Sainaba, Emil, Adyamin, Vishnu, Rifa, Mohammed Aman, Emil Jacob, Haynes Steve. Okay. So, what was the first question? Given that
given that
Root 2 is
root 2
equal
is
to 1.
it's equal
1.414. What was the
414.
first question? 1 by root 2?
Yes, ma'am.
1 by root 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, I will explain the question and you tell me whether you got the correct answer or not. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, can you see the board now? Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. I'll explain.
Ma'am, it is Hindi.
Now what? Is it Hindi now?
It is plain.
we
Now,
No.
is it our whiteboard again?
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so our question is, shall I write the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Root 2 equal to 1.414, root 3 equal to 1.732, and what is root 5? Root 5 equal to, can you tell what is root 5?
2.236
and root 10 equal to 3.162. First question, find the value of 1 by root 2. So, no need of substituting it directly because we are using the rationalization here. Is it clear to you? Because root 2 has come in the denominator. So whenever we are doing the division, it will be difficult for us to divide with the decimal number and we won't get a perfect answer for this. So we should use the rationalization here. After doing rationalization only, you can substitute the values. Okay. I hope you have done this in the same way. Okay, children? Shall I explain it?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 1 by root 2, and no need of, after second step you have to write, 1 minute. Okay, children, answer is 1 by root 2. How will you rationalize the denominator? Yes?
1 into root 2 and root 2 into
Root 2 into root 2. That means this is the first step. Root 2 into root 2, and the same thing into 1 into root 2. So it became root 2 by 2. Now you are substituting the value of root 2 here. It is
Ma'am, I cannot hear your
1.414
voice.
divided by 2. And will you tell the answer of this? How much answer? What is the answer? What is the answer after division? Tell the answer.
0.707.
0.707. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 0.7.
Okay, 0.707. Is it? Shall I
Yes,
divide and show
ma'am.
you?
Yes.
Okay, don't, it's very bad. See, don't know the division. 1.414 divided by 2. How will you divide? 0.714 1. Bring down 1 and we cannot divide 1 by 2, so indicate that with a 0 there. Now again one more number you are bringing down. So now it is 7. Isn't it? Don't make any mistake on this. Clear? Okay, children? And answer is 0.707.
I can't hear.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children? What is the next question? What is the next question? What is the next question?
1 by root 3.
Okay, 1 by root 3. Okay. 1 by root 3. Okay, we'll do it now. Okay, children. 1 by root 3. Second question is 1 by root 3. So how will you do this? Tell me.
1
Tell me.
by root 3 into root 3
Yes.
by root.
Root
Yes.
3 into root 3.
Root 3 into root 3. Let me see. Hiya, Nirubama. Okay. Okay, children. So, root 3 is our rationalized factor. So, 1 by root 3 into root 3. And here also into root 3. And you will get the answer as root 3 by 3. And what is the value of root 3? Surya? 1.732
1.732.
divided by 3.
3.
So, after dividing, tell me the answer.
0.57.
I will write here this side 1.732. Again,
3.
will you tell divide by 3 0.175, right?
5.
So 15 subtract 2, bring down 3,
7.
7, 21, 2, again 2, 577 enough. 3 decimal places is enough for us. Clear? So our answer is 0.577. I hope you got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Adil and Rosebi, Sainaba.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? It is decimal number now. So 3 decimal places are enough. No need of writing the remainder and divide it again. Okay.
3 decimal places. Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
children. We won't get a perfect answer for this. Means it is a decimal number repeating. Non-repeating decimal number you will get as an answer. Okay, children? Okay. Rizwan, turn on your video. Nirubam also. Mohammed Aman. Okay, then next question. What is the next question? Shall I raise the board?
1 by root
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the next question?
1 by root 10.
Okay, next question is 1 by root 10.
1
It is the
by
third
root 10.
question. 1 by root 10.
Root 10.
So, how will you find the answer? 1 by root 10 into, which is the rationalizing factor here?
Root 10.
Root 10. It is root 10 into
Root 10.
root 10. See, one person is always telling the answer. I want the others also to open their
Root
mouth.
10.
Okay. Meghna.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, can you tell the answer?
1 into
1.
root 10 by
Okay, 1 into root 10. What is that? 1 into root 10 is root 10 itself, right?
root 10 by 10.
10. And
3.162 by 10.
3.162 divided by 10. And how will you divide it? No need of normal division. No need of normal division. Okay. So what is the answer?
0.316.
0.3162.
0.3162. Okay. 0.3162. Okay, children. Shall I move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next question? Is it 2 by root 5? Is it 2 by root 5?
Root 2 plus 1 by
Root plus 1 by root 5.
So there was a question 2 by root 5. Did I give that? Hmm?
You give us.
Okay. So what is the next question? Can you tell what is the next question? Root 2 plus 1 by root 5.
Root plus 1 by 5.
Root 2 plus 1 by 5. Okay. Okay, is it fourth question? Is it fourth question, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
question is root 2 plus 1 by root 5. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the rationalizing factor here?
Root 5.
Root 5. Who is that person?
Aman.
Muhammad Aman.
No, Aman Shakir.
Aman Shakir, okay. Aman Shakir. So Rihan, will you tell the steps? Rihan. 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 Can you hear me? Hadidi, will you tell the answer? Hadidi, turn on your video and tell the steps how to proceed. Yes, Hadidi. Am I audible to you? No response. Who will tell the steps? What is this? Children, respond. See how many time. See how much time I am wasting for you. See this. Yes. Surya, tell the answer. Nobody is coming forward voluntarily. I have to call you again and again to open your mouth. Shameful it is. Tell the answer. Surya?
Fourth one.
Surya is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell the answer, Surya. How will you do it?
I did not get
Yes, Surya?
a fourth one. I did not understand how to.
No problem. Root 2 plus 1 by root 2 5. What is the rationalizing factor? It is rationalizing the denominator, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I will explain, Surya, no problem. So it is rationalizing the denominator. What is the denominator here? What is the denominator?
Root 5.
Root 5. So no need of looking at the numerator now because we have to rationalize the denominator only. That is our question. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I will explain.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then. Root 5 we have to multiply. Numerator and denominator with the root 5. You put a bracket there or in the numerator because there are two terms. Okay, children? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Respond so that I can explain.
Okay, ma'am.
How can I understand that you understood or not?
Yeah.
Okay, so numerator you write like that itself, root 2 plus 1 into root 5. Okay? Now, root 5 into root 5. What is root 5 into root 5?
5.
5.
Okay, 5. Okay.
Five.
Now you look at this. On the numerator, can you multiply this?
Yes, ma'am.
What is root 2 into root 5?
Root 10.
Root 10, very good. So multiply it with like this, root 2 into root 5. Root 2 into root 5 plus 1 into root 5. 1 into root 5. What is the answer?
Root 5.
Root 5 by 5. And what is root of 2 into root 5? Root 2 into root 5?
Root 10.
Root 10. See. 10 plus root 5 by 5. Now, how can you do this? See this? You know the value of root 10? Do you know the value?
Yes.
What is the value?
3.162.
62. Very good. 3.162. 3.162. Plus, what is root 5?
2.23.
2.236. Now see how easily we got the answer. 2.236 divided by 5. Okay. Now will you add it? 3.162 plus 2.236. Will you add and find the value? When you added, what answer you will get?
5.398.
5.398. Very good. 5.398 divided by 5. And find the answer. Find the answer. It is that much easy.
1.079.
Very good. 1.079. Now, Surya, I hope you understood this.
Yes.
1.079 is the answer.
Okay.
Not only Surya, all of you, if you have any doubt, you ask me. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the board right side what I have written 1.079?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I raise the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, shall I raise and shall I give the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So, is it the fourth question or fifth question? Fifth question, right?
Fifth one.
Fifth one. See, I have given the homework and I know that you need some explanation. So that is why I am explaining it. Most of you might have tried it, right? Did you try it?
Yes.
Yes,
Enough.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So 2 minus root 3 by root 3. This was the question, I suppose. 2 minus root 3 by root 3. Is it?
Yes.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
the rationalizing factor of this?
Root 3.
Root 3. So how you will proceed? 2 minus root 3. Keep a bracket there, okay? Because there are two numbers there. So when you expand the bracket, it will be easy for you. See, again it is 2 minus root 3 by root 3 into root 3 by 3. Here also you should expand the brackets. Or no problem if you substitute also. Can you expand the bracket? Expand the brackets. So how will you expand? 2 into root 3. What is the answer? 2 into root 3? Root 3. 2 root 3. 2 root 3. But when you multiply root 3 into root 3, what is the answer?
3.
3.
Okay. By 3 again. Don't cancel this 3 and 3. I have seen some students cancel this 3 and 3. Don't cancel. It is a single term. Clear? Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you can substitute there. 2 into root 3 is, substitute the value, 2 into 1.732. Minus 3 divided by 3. We have to find the final answer for this. Okay, children? Okay?
Ma'am, 3
Yes,
point
ma'am.
464 only.
Yes. What is 2 into 1.732?
3.464.
464. Is it correct? Yeah, all of you got the answer same like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Then minus 3 is there and all divided by 3 again is there. So you have to subtract this.
So it will
0
3.461.
466. 46?
4.
4 divided by 3. Then do the division again. Do the division again. So 0.464 divided by 3. 0 again. 4 1 time. 3. 16. 5 times. 15. Subtract 1. 14. 4. 12. 2. I hope you got the same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
You got the same answer, right? It is 0.154. 0.154. Okay, children? Was this the last question?
No.
Yes?
Root 10 minus root 5 by root 2.
Root 10 minus root 5 by root 2. Correct. Okay, I'll give the next question. Shall I raise the board? Hadi Amin? Hadi Amin?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I raise the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next question is it sixth question? Is it sixth question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Root 10 minus root 5 by root 2. What is the rationalizing factor here?
Root 2.
Root 2. If there are two numbers, we'll instead of rationalizing factor, you use the term as conjugate. Okay. That rationalizing factor, that all those questions, it is the conjugate of the irrational numbers. So rationalizing factor is root 2 itself. Root 10 minus root 5 by root 2. Again, we'll multiply with the root 2. Put a simple bracket there and avoid the confusion. Now, root 10 minus root 5 into root 2 by 2. Now, again, you multiply, open the bracket by multiply like this. It is root 10 into root 2 minus root 5 into root 2. Okay, divided by 2. Now, okay, children, are you listening to me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, you can, now if you multiply, you will get that answer as root 20. Root 20.
Yes. Minus
Root 20,
root
you
10.
don't know the answer. But you know what is root 10 into root 2. Okay, I'll show you. See, you can do like this. You can do like this. Root 20 minus root 10 by 2. Okay. Will you factorize root 20? Listen, we are doing this type of question for the further simplification. If you can simplify that, you can simplify it. Or you should multiply root 10's value. There are two methods. One method you can do like this, or directly substitute root 10's value. Listen, children, there are two methods. First method, directly apply root 10's and root 5's value, sorry, root 2's value, or you do like this. Both the method I will explain. Okay. Now you can factorize root 20. You know how to factorize root 20. Root 20, 2, 10, 2, 5, and 2, 1. 1. So root 20 you can write like this. Root 20 is 2 into 1 minute, children, 1 minute. See, 20 you can factorize with 2, 10, again with 2, 5, with 5, 1. Okay. So root 20 you can write as root of 2 into 5. All of you know this method. Now one pair you can take 2 out. And 5 has no pair, so you can write 2 root 5. All of you know this method. Okay. If you substitute here, it will become 2 root 5 minus root 10 by 2. This is one method. Are you writing? Nirubama, Bhadra?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Root
Ma'am,
root
that both
20,
two can be
we are doing
cancelled.
the prime factorization. You
Both.
can do like that because then the answer is simplified. We can simplify it some more. Simplification, we can make it some more easy. Okay. Okay, children. Now what is the value of 2 root 5? It is very easy because you know root 5's value. You know root 5's value. What is root 5? What is root 5? 2 into
2.236
minus root 10's value is, what is root 10's value?
3.162.
162 and 2. So now instead of multiplying two decimal numbers, we made our answer like this because two decimal numbers, one is decimal expansion 3 digits, other also decimal expansion 3 digits. So instead of multiplication, to avoid those multiplication, we did like this. Now only the multiplication with an irrational number, decimal number, and one normal number. Okay. So what is the answer of 2 into 2.236? 2 into 2.236
4.472.
into. Will you tell the answer? Is it 4.472?
4.472
Okay, 4.472 minus 3.162
3.162
by 2. And when you subtract, will you tell the answer?
1.310
1.3.
310.
1.310. Okay. Okay, our answer is, what is the answer you got? 1.3. Lolita,
0.655.
Lolita, are you getting the answer properly like this? Lolita? Lolita is there? Lolita, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
0.655.
Lolita, can you hear me? Lolita is not there. Okay, do you have any doubt? I will explain it again. Afsana, turn on your video. And Anne-Marie, many days I have not seen you. Anne-Marie, turn on your video. Anne-Marie? Anne-Marie, I will not give you attendance. Okay. I hope you all got the answer. If you have any doubt, I'll explain it again.
Ma'am, 0.6.
Okay.
0.
1.310 divided by 2 is
0.655.
0.655. 0.655. Let me see you. Where are you? Vishnu? Turn on your video. Hey, Steve. Rifa? Afsana? Afsana, no response at all.
Ma'am, my video is on.
Yes, Afsana, turn on your video or unmute yourself and you respond, you answer my question. If you did not understand, I will explain it again. Anyone? Emil Jacob, Aman Shakir, Hadi Amin, Melvin, Nas. Anybody? Johan, Rihan and all. If you did not understand, I will explain it. Or shall I move to the next question? Which one you like?
We can move to the next question.
Eh?
Next question.
What is the next
Ma'am.
question? Will you tell the next question?
Only is my Tuesday.
This was the
Only-
last question. Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then I'll give one more question so that you can do it. Okay. I think it's almost time. Shall I give the question to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Our question is it easy, this topic you like? That
Yes,
also no response.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the question number?
7.
7. Good. And our question is 2 by root 5. When you come for the next class, you do this. Sorry. 2 by root 5. 2 by root 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Will you? One more class is there today, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. By the time when I come, you have to do this. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Shall I leave now?
Okay,
Shall I
ma'am.
leave now?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.